Rate your relationship with Fiang. Ito sasabihin ko, may corresponding ano siya.
Okay.
Ibibigay mo lang kung anong number yung relationship nyo ni Fiang. Number 1. 1 is no connection at all. 2, slight connection. 3, tight relationship. 4, getting there. 5, officially in a relationship. Alin doon sa 1 to 5? Kala mo, ikaw lang may talent, JM, Pinapaalala ko, meron ka pang pass, ha? Pero wag ka na mag-pass. Bigay mo na to. Ano doon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, no connection, which I think hindi ito. Second, slight connection. Third, number 3, tight relationship. Fourth, getting there. Or fifth, number 5, in a relationship.
Okay.
May nakita kong comment 10, atake.
May tatlong pass, di ba?
JM!
Oh, at least sa'yo ko lang papakita.
Okay, sige.
Sige
So, okay, sige.
May salamin.
Wala. Wag mo lang, mag-ingat ka lang kasi may mic.
Oh.
Okay. Magbabalik po ang... Okay, guys. Sinagot na niya and pinili ni JM na i-pass. And, ayun. Ang hirap din pala nito dahil nakikita ko yung sagot. Anyway, eto na, last na, JM.
Apo.
Nangati yung ulo ko. Eto, last na, JM.